What's going on, Garrett here. If you're thinking about joining the multiple income funnel or you're a current member and you don't know how to start generating traffic to your links to make daily commissions, this video is for you. Inside this video, I'm going to reveal some incredibly easy paid and free traffic sources you can use starting this week to start to generate daily sales to make the money you truly want. All right, my friend. Now, first off, I want to just share with you some results so you can see that I do know what I'm talking about. Now, total paid just on the first income stream inside the multiple income funnel, I've been able to generate $16,362. Okay, so again, you're going to be learning from someone that's actually getting results. Now, the very first step, though, if you're someone that hasn't yet joined multiple income funnel, there's going to be a link directly below this video. Now, when you click that link and you follow my website, eventually you'll get taken to this page, okay? Now you can watch this video that breaks down more information, and then eventually this button's gonna appear where you can go ahead and click that button, create an account, and complete your order, okay? It's just $49 a month, or you can pay a one-time annual fee to get access to the system, okay? Now, once you're inside the system, the first thing, again, before you even start driving traffic, is you wanna set up the different income streams. Now, this is step 2 inside of the multiple income funnel, and you want to go through and follow these different steps. Okay, watch these videos, learn how to join the different income streams, and make sure you invest as high as possible. Okay, you don't want to leave money on the table. The higher you join, the more money you can actually earn. Okay, this is a pay to play program, so you want to join at the highest levels you can inside of each of the income streams. And then once you're set up, then you want to go to links and you want to get your link. Okay, so there's 3 main capture pages, and you would just select one of the links here, and that's what you would start promoting. So let's say I like this one, I can copy the link at the top, and now I want to start driving traffic or getting clicks to this link, okay, to this website, because the more people we get to this website, the more people that put their name and email in, and they'll start getting followed up through automated emails, and we can start making sales even while we're sleeping. But you're watching this video for traffic, okay? So a lot of people don't realize that one of the main traffic sources is traffic authority. Now, traffic authority, okay, is actually one of the income streams. It's the 4th income stream here, okay? And to find it very easily, you can just click traffic at the top tab, okay? Now, if I log in here, what it takes me to is the traffic store. Now, traffic authority, basically what it gives you access to is very high quality clicks, okay? So these clicks that you can purchase are of real people that are interested in either starting a home business, joining a biz opportunity, making money online, okay? So these people that can click our link are very, very high quality. And you can choose what package of clicks you want, okay? So you can do the basic all the way up to titanium, okay? Gold is one of the most popular. It gives you 850 to 950 clicks, and it delivers within 14 days, okay? So what you can do is once you select a package of clicks, we go to other website, and now you can just paste in your multiple income funnel capture page. You always want to promote the capture page, okay? Not the video sales letter. We want to promote the capture page, okay? So if I go back to here, what we would do after we paste that link in is we would just add a card, okay, a debit or credit card. We would agree to the terms, and then we would just place order. Now, once we place order within the day or so, we'll start getting clicks, real people clicking our capture page, putting their email in, and then deciding to buy, okay? So this is the first main traffic source that I highly recommend. Now, you do have to invest money. This is a paid traffic source, but it's very, very effective. Now, if after, let's say, you go through the different income streams, you invest at the highest level you can, maybe you don't have a lot of extra money to actually invest into paid ads, not to worry, because some of the other traffic sources you can actually do is if you go to resources, training, okay, you can go to marketing system success training, go to traffic training, and now they have videos sharing with you traffic methods and different strategies you can use to get free traffic. Okay, so you can do refer a friend email. You can actually send an email out. If, let's say, you have some friends, their email addresses, you can actually send an email to them, referring them to your capture page link. You can Do warm market, okay? So if you have, friends and family that are potentially interested in joining this business, this video teaches you how to approach them and how to actually properly get them interested. You can text them, okay? If you have, WhatsApp, or you have, a phone number and you have a lot of contacts, you can actually send them a text, okay? Get them interested in the business. And when they ask you for more information, you can refer them to your capture page. Okay, you can do offline. Okay, so you can do drop cards and business cards. So there's websites out there where you can actually purchase a card that looks like a folded dollar bill. Okay, and you can go to gas stations, you can go to stores, like the Walmart, and you can drop that on the floor. And then when people see that folded dollar bill, okay, it looks like that. When they pick it up, they realize it's a business card. You can have your website on that card, and then when they go to the website, they can actually put their email in and get followed up with, okay? Really, really powerful. Now, some other traffic sources that a lot of people just don't realize is Facebook, okay? Social media. So I use Facebook a lot. I'm constantly posting, my Facebook. And what you want to do is you want to refer people to your capture page, okay? You don't want to just post your capture page link. Let me find an example. Okay, so if I go, a while back, well, for example, this one, okay? So I made a post, right? I made $430 that day, and I made a post. I said, hey, $430 came in during movie night, okay? So I talked about that, and I basically said, feel free to comment info for an overview of this new simple system. So what I did was I shared a result, and then I basically told people to message me if they're interested in learning more. And you can see, info. Okay, so this person wanted info, and then I just sent them my capture page link, which redirects them to the multiple income funnel. Okay, you can go to Instagram. Okay, a lot of people don't realize you can go to Instagram and you can post Instagram stories of results. Okay, so how do you do that? Well, we can go to the multiple income funnel group once you're a member. Okay, as it loads, I can join this group. Okay, and what happens is every day people are sharing results. Okay, like this person here. Okay, I could literally just take this tool, okay, to snip it, or if I'm on a phone, I can screenshot, and I can literally just do this, okay, and I can post this as an Instagram story and say, wow, look at the results our teammates are getting, okay? And then when someone actually is interested, they'll reply, and then again, I just send them my capture page link. So traffic is all around you. Any place where there's people, you can actually get traffic. Okay, social media is great. If you don't have a lot of extra money, you can do it for free. And then I would highly recommend Traffic Authority, choosing one of the highest packages you can so you get the most targeted clicks, promoting always the capture page, and then sending people to your link, okay? So I hope you got value in this video. I just wanted to shoot this quick video on how to get traffic with multiple income funnel. It's very, very simple. If you're not yet a member, be sure to actually go to my website and then sign up here and then go through the different steps to position yourself, okay, right here. I go back for a second, to actually position yourself in the different income streams. It's very important you set up the different income streams. If you're already a member, go back, set up the income streams, invest in the highest levels. That's where the real money is, and you're really going to be able to create the results you want. If you have any questions, last but not least, be sure to comment them below if you're watching on YouTube. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Take care, my friend.